mess. Look at this messy boy. Henry. Oh my goodness, Flip Flop. You are the messy. You are the messy, Flip Flop. You are so messy. Henry. You guys been snacking? You been snacking, Flip Flop? Yeah. Boys. Hey boys, good morning. Good morning, boys. Good morning. You tell them. Hello, Pumpkin. Hello, buddy. Hello, Pumpkin and Buddy. Good morning. Look at the mess they make in their water. They do that all night. They just put mud and straw in their water. What's going on, Pumpkin? Hi, Pumpkin. Yeah, you're so handsome. Hey, baby goose. Come on out, baby goose. Hey, Sunny. Hi, Sunny. Come on. Let's go, Sunny. Let's go, boys. All right, let's go. Come on, let's go. Look at all of these feathers. Oh my goodness, all of the feathers everywhere. Did a goose explode out here or something? All of these are their wing feathers. They're gonna have just these little stubby wings in a week or so. There's gonna be nothing left. Are those delicious snacks, you guys? Are those the delicious? Look at them blue eyes, y'all. That's a gorgeous bird. You guys are messy. Hey, girl. Hey, Sammy. Hey, Sammy. Look at her walking. Beautiful. Hey, Rona. Hey, Rona. Pretty girl. So you see, look, you see this, her head, how her head has those bare spots on it. So like most emus I've seen, once they get to full maturity, they have that. But if you look down here at Sam, well, of course from down here it looks the same, but there's a significant difference. Sam's bald areas are nowhere near as pronounced. And that's how it's super easy to tell who's who. I mean, you can also tell by the way they behave, but just by looking at them, you see, like her bald spots are much smaller. Hey, Sam, all that attitude. Anyway, they ate most of their food, pretty much all of it. Well, there goes $5. Anyway, hey, Sammy. Hey, Sammy. That's how much they eat in a day, though. They eat like half of this bucket full in a day. See, we hungry birds. How you doing, beautiful? How you doing? Sassy. All that bird attitude. I ain't coming over there. I don't even want to mess with you. What am I going to do with you? Huh? I can't help you, lady. I cannot help it. You are the beautiful. Yes. Flump. Flump. Give you some head scratches. Some neck rubs. You are a beautiful bird. Yes. You can actually run your hands the opposite directions in their feathers because they're so soft. But I try not to rub her back that much because that makes them feel frisky. And we don't want that. No. So we keep the rubs to the head and to the neck. Just a little bit here. Yes. You being a goofball. You such a goofy girl. She's like, this is my chin rest. This is my chin rest. Look at her. She's about to go to sleep. What am I going to do with you, huh? What am I going to do with you? You going to sleep on me? Huh? This is my lap emu. She'll get up in my lap if I sit down. She funny. Okay. You are beautiful. Are you staying in the shade today? Is it too hot outside for a Turk? Huh? Stop trying to get my bucket. Stop trying. That ain't your bucket. Stay away from my bucket. You sure are a handsome boy, even though you're a bad man. You a bad, bad man. Lots of turkey attitude. Trying to get my bucket. Trying to get my bucket. So beautiful, Holiday. So beautiful. You a good-looking boy. Get it, man. Get it. I thought you were going to take it and carry it off somewhere for a second. He is very strong. He's a very strong man. He's a strong man. Yes. Oh, that mama's got you. Got to chauffeur her around. She can't walk. Oh, here comes her sister. She's like, wait for me. Wait for me. She's like, where are you going with my sister? Birds of a feather, y'all.
They don't have any snacks yet.
She's like, I'm coming, sis. I'm coming. See? So this is where Rebel Duck will stay for the day. See, we build her up a nice thick nest so it stays dry. And her man is right there. He hasn't come out yet, but he'll go on the other side so he can just visit her all day. Yes, Rebel Duck. Oh, yes, you're so beautiful, lady. You're so beautiful. Yes, we love you, Rebel Duck. And then, of course, her sister stays with her, so she does pretty good. Hi, beautiful. Are you in a better mood today? Or are you still grumpy? You are so beautiful, you be. I love you, Turkey Lurkey. I know. You all hot and bothered. All hot and bothered. So pretty, though. Such a pretty girl. I love having conversations with this girl. Oh, yes. We having a talk. We having a talk, yes. All right. So we're having a bit of a standoff right now. This is Scarlet, and Scarlet wants to lay her egg. We have an interloper. Yeah. Yeah, Flower. Those are chicken eggs. He's like, well, one of them's a guinea egg. All right. You're so pretty. This is a nice guinea fowl. Most of the guinea fowls are just spastic, crazy birds, but this one's actually really nice. Aren't you, Flower? You a sweetie. You a sweetie. All right, boys, we're going to let you out in a minute. We're going to let you out in a minute. I know, Foghorn. You were just excited to get out. Let me get your cage set up. This mess. Look at this mess. You got a messy beak, Holiday. This is how he eats breakfast every day. We just give him a pitcher and let him fill up, and then we put him over with the geese. See how big this bird is, y'all? I mean, that's a big bird. He is a big, big boy. Aren't you, Holiday? I bet he weighs 45 pounds. He's like, yeah, you want to see big? Check that out. Check that out. Get them snacks, Holiday. Get them. Isn't it cool watching him train? It's like a little transformer. He can control either one of them feathers. So beautiful, Holiday. What's going on, my boy? Oh, you're looking good. You want a hug? Give me a hug. I love you. I love you. The best neck hugs. You give the best. He gives the best neck hugs. You smell good. You smell good. You do. You look good. You are the handsome boy you are. You ready for them snacks? You ready to go get them snacks, Rudy? Look at this bird, y'all. Isn't this bird beautiful? This is a gorgeous, gorgeous creature. Here. Get them snacks, Rudy. Get them snacks, my guy. Look at those tail feathers. Oh my goodness, Rudy, you're so beautiful. You getting them snacks, lady? Are those delicious? She's like, yeah, I'm getting these snacks. I'm a hungry duck. Are those the delicious snacks? Precious baby. She doing pretty good for the shape she's in. Get you, troublemaker. Huh? You want to come out here? Come on. Come on, Blue. Come on. Come on. Don't even think about messing with them ladies. Look at that. What am I going to do with this guy? No. No, sir. Out you go. Look, now you're going to go the wrong direction, and I got to chase you instead of just going where you belong in the first place. Bad duck. Good thing I love you, man. You a pain in the butt sometimes. Look at you. Look, I put all of them delicious snacks there. You got this nice big, great big pen to stay in, and you get to be right next door to your lady so you can see them and talk to them all day. Yes. You are a good-looking boy. A good-looking boy. This is my boy. This is Onyx. Say, Onyx, are you beautiful? Say, he is beautiful. Y'all, did you know that roosters are some of the most abused animals on the planet? Horrible, horrible scumbag people use them for cockfighting. And they actually strap razor knives to their legs so they can cut each other up. And these are gentle animals. Look at him. Look at him. He's not mean at all. He is a sweetheart, and he is the rule, not the exception. Most roosters are quite nice animals, given the opportunity. But you know, half of every chickens that are hatched are roosters. The bulk of them are either suffocated to death, and they just throw them in trash bags. They fill these giant trash barrels with them while they're alive on day one of when they're hatched. And they just crush each other and suffocate to death. And they seal the bags up and throw them away. That's how they get rid of them. Or they grind them up alive. And so that's what you support when you buy eggs. That's the egg industry. Or if you buy chickens from like a hatchery, the hatcheries do that. All of the hatcheries do the same thing. You go to Tractor Supply or some other feed store, Fleet Farm, and you buy a bunch of babies. Guess what? Same thing. That's what you're supporting. You're literally paying someone to do that when you buy eggs. And it's crazy. I know. You're so precious. He's like, Human, it's hot. Put me down. Look, he could peck me. He could scratch me. He wants to get put down, but he doesn't. He doesn't because he's a sweetheart. And most roosters are. It's so sad. It's such a beautiful boy, Onyx. I love you so much, baby. Yes, you a lucky one. You one of the lucky ones. Yes. Want to see a messy face? Look at this guy. Look at this guy. He just got done eating. Foghorn, you smell exactly like your food because he's covered in it. But of course, you can't give him too hard of a time. Imagine what it's like trying to eat with that thing on your head and those things on your chin. He's like, I'm beautiful. This is a shelter rooster, by the way. So, you know, a lot of my roosters are super nice because I hand raised them, but this guy came from an animal shelter. I got him as a full-grown adult. I've had him for a couple of years, but he was a great big old boy when I got him. And look at this. Look at how nice. You see how nice? He smells like fermented chicken feed, though. Beautiful boy. This is Foghorn. Foghorn's a nice guy most of the time. Actually, he's a nice guy all the time, but he's also half blind at night. So you got to watch out for him at night because he can't tell if you're a good guy or a bad guy, and he just assumes you're a bad guy. Okay, you a good boy, Foghorn. Look at these beautiful guinea birds. Yeah, you're a goofball. You guys are crazy birds. They are beautiful, though. They have very smooth feathers. It makes them very difficult to grab. Like, you can just pick a chicken up, but these guys are basically, like, impossible to grab because their feathers are so slick. What's going on? Say, tell the people, this is the end screen. We're going to roll the credits right here of all of the wonderful people that support us and buy you almond money. They give you almond money over on the Patreon. That's how we buy the snacks. Don't give me your foot. I don't want your foot. I know that's a trap. That's the foot is a trap. It's a trap, I know it. Say thank you to the patrons on Patreon. Yes, they give the almond money and the walnut money and the bird toy money and all of the things that keep the bird happy. Yes. Okay, thank you patrons. We appreciate y'all, and we'll see y'all in the next video.